Furry, the little penguins that could, written by Ann Yurchek and illustrated by Jody Culp. Chapter 28, Penguin Classroom Wisdom. Kindergarten was almost over. The children in the penguin kindergarten class had grown and were wiser. We had learned our ABCs and 1, 2, 3s and much more. We had learned to share and care. We learned teamwork and cooperation. We learned that hard things happen sometimes and they can be fixed. We learned about responsibilities and that everyone had a purpose. The penguin kindergartners learned that trying is just as important as succeeding and to always try our best. We learned that everyone has talents and gifts we bring to our classroom. We learned that everybody matters and to leave no one out. We learned to take turns and use our manners. We learned that it is important to remember to say please and thank you. We learned about being friends. Snack and I also learned about being emotional support partners. Together, we became so much more than just stuffies. With Mac as our guide, we learned to become real in the most real way. We learned about loving each other and living with each other and laughing with each other. We all learned that friends are important and everyone needs a friend. We learned about inclusion and that everyone should have a place to play. We learned that through teamwork, we could reach a goal to make sure everyone could play together. We learned that everybody has differences and everybody is a somebody who matters. We learned that we don't need to talk to be friends. Sometimes being a friend means just sitting by someone's side and sharing a wing, a hand, or a smile. We learn that being a true friend is important, and sometimes we must think of another's needs instead of our own. We learned that giving is much more fun than receiving. And we learned to keep surprise secrets and not spill the beans. We learned that if all you have to give is stuff and the muffins, well, that is enough. We celebrated learning and we celebrated differences. Best of all, we learned to celebrate just because. We learned that kids can do big things. Mac and all the other littles soon will become first graders. Mac was worried Furry would not be allowed in first grade. Mac peeked into the first grade classroom and the room was filled with letters and numbers. He did not see a single stuffy. What could he do?